This is going to be an entire review of Legendary Marketer's brand new 5-day challenge. Now, if you've ever gone through Legendary Marketer in the past, you would know that they had a 15-day business challenge. But in this video, I'm going to break down Legendary Marketer's brand new 5-day challenge. And more importantly, towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can implement this really cool software that can help you promote it if this is something that you would want to push as an affiliate. But throughout this review, I'm going to review the actual 5-day challenge through Legendary Marketer. And on top of that, we're also going to talk about Legendary Marketer's 5-day challenge affiliate program. This is going to be a full breakdown. Let's get started. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and the purpose of this channel is to help people achieve financial and time freedom. For me, I was working a 9-to-5 corporate job, and I was able to quit my job, putting in the work and learning the skills of digital and affiliate marketing. So that's the purpose of my brand and this channel. So super excited if you're brand new. All right, so breaking down Legendary Marketer's 5-day challenge. Before we get into the actual 5-day material, the first question that this 5-day challenge asks is, do you want to be led with an advisor, or do you want to go through this 5-day challenge by yourself? Okay, so right here, and I've already gone through this, but it'll say like start here. And it asks you those two questions. So one is you get to work with a business advisor, which is something they had in the 15-day challenge where you actually had to go through an advisor to unlock all of the material, or you can go self-led where you go through it at your own pace. So that's the biggest change I've seen from the 15-day business challenge to this new 5-day. It's that first question, but we're going to break down every single day of Legendary Marketer's new challenge. Now, day number 1 is an introduction to digital marketing. Now, this is a brand new video that they just created. This is way different than what was in the 15-day challenge, but similar because the core of what they're teaching is digital marketing, but also the 4 core ways to essentially start an online business. And number 1, that's an online course. Number 2, that's creating a live event. Number 3 is creating some sort of coaching program. And number 4, which is my personal favorite, that's affiliate marketing. So in day 1, we're really just breaking down that entire structure, okay? So, and as we go through this, I'm not gonna play obviously the video here, but I just wanna show you kind of the assignments and some of the things that they have inside of here, okay? Now, the cool thing is they give you like top niches, right? You wanna be in the health and fitness, you wanna be in the wealth niche, cryptocurrency, whatever it is, right? The whole goal of this 5-day challenge is to essentially just talk about, hey, this is how you can build a digital marketing business. Not necessarily like you have to buy this program to promote it. That's not what they're about, okay? The cool thing is on top of that, they also have invitation to their Wake Up Legendary show, which is basically their show that they have every single day. This is a free show that they do on Facebook and YouTube, as you can see right here. It's actually really cool. They have a lot of guest speakers come on. I've been on it several times myself. And then if we go to number 4, you'll see here on assignment 4, they give you 4 funnels that are basically plug and play for whatever business model want to go into. All right, so for example, if you go inside of here and I go down, they're giving you a funnel for, you know, affiliate marketing, digital product funnel, a coaching funnel, and a mastermind event funnel. Okay, now what I noticed here is this is just in ClickFunnels. I know in the 15-day challenge they had added a system.io version of this, but right now they just have ClickFunnels here, which is cool. I know I started out using ClickFunnels. I actually have my own software and funnel builder now. With these, I'm actually going to build out as a bonus for my students. I'm going to build out these funnels in my software, Funnel Freedom, but I'll make another video about that. But that's what you get to do here, right? You choose which business model you essentially want to get started with. Do you want to do affiliate marketing? Do you want to do digital products, or do you want to create your own course? Do you want to coaching, right? Do you want to have some sort of coaching program, or do you want to have a mastermind or a live event, right? So the cool thing is they give you the done for you funnels. You basically plug and play. Again, I'm going to be recreating these funnels in Funnel Freedom, which is again my software, but that'll be another video. Okay, now the next step here is you'll notice you're creating a free Aweber account. Aweber is essentially the autoresponder, basically how you're building your email list. Okay, so I'm personally not a big fan of Aweber, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing. They're not really affiliate marketing friendly, but they are a very popular autoresponder. Before I used my own software, Funnel Freedom, I was personally using GetResponse, and they did have that GetResponse option in the 15-day challenge, but it looks like they're making things simple and just like, hey, here's one option, do this, right? So I totally get why they're doing that, okay? And then of course they do have, hey, you need extra help. We have the business plan advisor at no additional charge, okay? Now this is optional now, where before you had to go through an advisor to unlock the rest, okay? So as you can see here, after that, that's day number 1, but they do give you some really cool assignments. Looks like you build the funnel right away on day number 1, which is very powerful, right? So boom, right off the bat, you're learning the skills. We're also implementing. I really like that. All right, so now looking into day number 2 of Legendary Marketer's 5-day challenge. So as you can see here, it says launch with a focus on content. Now I went through this and it was really cool because, on day 1, you're creating the funnel, whatever business model you choose. But right here, they go straight into content. But what's unique about day number 2 is they go into faceless content, which is, I know it's very popular right now, right? Faceless Instagram videos where you're not showing your face, you're not talking. So that's cool. They literally dive deep 90 minutes into, how you can create faceless videos on Instagram and, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all that stuff. And, towards the end of this training, they show you, hey, this is how you use Canva. This is how you, create a faceless video and post it and get attention, get people to click on your links and go to your funnel and buy your product. So day number 2 is really cool because, again, a lot of people are stuck here. They have that anxiety of creating content. I know I did for years. I never wanted to step foot into, a studio or create some videos or talk. Like, I was always so scared. So this is something I would have loved in the beginning for sure. For me, there was no such thing as faceless content. So I just had to, learn how to step out of my comfort zone and do it. But this is awesome for people that want to step into the digital marketing game and really start creating faceless content. But as you can see, very simple assignments here. All you're doing is completing the course on day number 2. You can schedule a call if you'd like, and then you go to the next step. So that leads us to day number 3. So in day number 3, we're actually going into, okay, this is how we actually build a brand and following. Now, he really talks a lot about edutainment, right? So how do we entertain people, but at the same time, educating people, okay? So this is actually a really awesome day. I think this is probably the best day, in my opinion, that's gonna give you the most value, because we're talking about hook, story, offer, which is something I talk a lot about in my challenges and my programs. It's like, okay, how can we get attention? How can we get people to stop scrolling, click on our link and take action, right? And buy our product. So this is actually super valuable. I think, like, even for me going through this is like, this is such a good refreshment for myself, right? Yes, I've been doing this for a while and something I practice every single day, but there's some things I forget. So this right here, just going through it, was like, oh shoot, I forgot to do that little thing. I forgot to say this little part. I forgot this little hook in this part of the story. How should I put my caption in on Instagram, on TikTok? So I really think that day 3 is probably the meat and potatoes of this entire 5-day challenge. And this is something that I highly recommend everyone watch this one. Because there's a lot of value that's given on day number 3. All right, so now we're on day number 4 of Legendary Marketer's new 5-day challenge. Now, as you can see, this is talking about mindset, which is, in my opinion, this is the most important thing that's going to help you either fail as an entrepreneur or help you succeed, and that's the mindset. You see, when I first started doing anything online or just any type of business, before I started in this whole affiliate digital marketing game, I was always always trying different side hustles, Amazon FBA, crypto, Forex, like all these things, right? And what always got me to fail was not really the skills. Yes, I needed to develop that, but it was really the mindset. Going into it, not having the mindset that I'm going to do this long term, right? Because I think most people come in, they're like, hey, I'm going to do this thing and I'm going to make a lot of money and life's going to be amazing. And that could possibly be true. That's true for me, but you can't go into it thinking like it's going to happen overnight. No, you got to put in the reps. You got to put in the skills. You got to learn the skills, and then you got to fail, but you got to learn from those failures. So really great day number 4 with Legendary Marketer. They're talking about the mindset. I really like that because, again, the mindset is literally the thing that's going to hold you back. And I could guarantee that for any of my students, because I've coached and mentored over 55,000 people. And that's literally, from our top students to people that never started, right? The people that never started were just scared to open it, right? They were scared to do the work. And people that were like, they did the work, but they didn't believe it was possible for them, right? So again, at the end of the day, mindset is going to keep you from getting to the next level. It's going to keep me from getting to my next level, right? Yes, I've built a really cool business, but for me to get to my next level, I have to get through those mindset barriers myself. So really great module. Now, if we go back into here, you can see they have a clarity process questionnaire. They talk about the rich dad, poor dad. So this is cool because they talk about getting your mindset right. And then you'll notice that, not only do they talk about it, but they're like, hey, go read this book. Okay, so super cool. And then that's it. So that's day number 4. So we'll move on to day number 5. Now, day number 5 of Legendary Marketer's 5-day challenge. Essentially, it's a 2-minute video talking about the business plan class, right? So essentially, this is a webinar that kind of leads to their main core product, which is the blueprints. Typically, it's a $2,500 product. But the way day 5 works is, you watch this quick intro and then you go in and you choose which business class you want to go to, right? So if you go to begin class now, it'll then go to this here where you can go ahead and watch this business plan class. Okay, now this is a whole presentation, and of course there's an offer at the end of this that'll basically ascend you to the next product, which is the $2,500 blueprints, right? And you can see, I mean everything is laid out, which is really cool, right? You can see that you're going to get access to their affiliate marketing blueprint, their digital course blueprint, their coaching and consulting, their events and mastermind. So this is really what the core of what they're doing, right? They want to send you to one of these products. That way they can offer more support and more help, right? And then you can see there's bonuses when you get to that next level, as you can see right here, all the bonus daily live coaching, which is super cool. Also, they have the $1 Million Mindset bonus, done for you plans, lots and lots of cool things. And then they even show you how to set up your LLC, right, for your business. So lots of cool bonuses here, but essentially you're watching this business class bonus, or this business class with David Sharp. That's the end of day number 5. And again, that'll ascend you to the next part, which is the blueprints. All right, so now let's talk about the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. And this is specifically for the 5-day challenge. Now, again, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can plug a Legendary Marketer affiliate link into this software, and it's gonna literally promote it for you. So I'll show you that at the end, but let's talk about the affiliate links for this new challenge. Now, if you go into the affiliate side of things first is you can't be an affiliate for Legendary Marketer unless you go through the compliance training. Now, this is like a 2-hour training. You have to watch the entire thing, which is, I think, a great thing to kind of go through and figure out these are the things I should do and shouldn't do. And they really go through and show you, like, these are the important things that you should do and not do as an affiliate. Okay, so that's the first thing, is you don't even have access to the affiliate account unless you go through that compliance training. Okay, very, very important to understand that. Now, the next thing here is with the affiliate links here, you'll see all they have is the 5-day challenge. So if I click on this and I go to the affiliate links, all they have is this new link that goes to the challenge. Now, one thing to note is if you were promoting the 15-day challenge before, and this is confirmation from Dave Sharp himself, those links are going to be redirected to this new affiliate link, which is awesome because you don't have to go and switch links out. It's going to go back to this new one. And so it's all redirected and you're still getting the credit. So I really, really like that. One thing to note as well, and this is something really cool, is you can still add the streams of income. So like you can add your link for ClickFunnels and for Aweber, right? So really cool things you can do there. But one thing to note is, you know, there's only those 2 income streams, right? So I'm going to show you how you can tap into literally 15 other income streams at the end of this review. Okay. And then of course you still got your reports, your ranks, your commissions, all that stuff is still the same. Okay. I think they did get rid of the leaderboard for compliance and FTC type stuff, which makes sense. Okay. So they got rid of all that. But overall, I think this is an awesome new challenge. It's streamlined, it's quick and easy. And some of you may know I have my own challenge. I have my essentially 3-day or 72-hour challenge. It's different, right? I think you're going to get a lot of value from this, especially, I mean, you're only paying $5. And then you're also going to get a different perspective with my 72-hour challenge. And this is kind of where we show you how do we use this software to really blow up the business, and more importantly, how do we do it the right way? So that being said, let me show you this really cool software that allows you to plug in Legendary Marketer, but also 15 other products. Now, here's the software right here. I'm super excited because we've had so many people that they're able to essentially build their entire business using this software. Okay. Now, the way it works is really cool. Basically, you tap into this entire system in literally minutes. Okay. So you have all these emails already sending out for you. You have like your own website, your own white label course to give out as your own. So this would be different from like master resale rights, where you have to buy a $500 course just to sell it. I'm literally giving you a course to give out for free, right? So we're already standing out from the crowd. And what's cool here is you can add your affiliate link for, you know, Legendary Marketer, right? So essentially this is how easy it is, right? So if we go to affiliate links and you go to the 5-day challenge, essentially all you're doing here is you're copying this link for the 5-day challenge and you're adding it into this really cool software here, as you can see. And I just update, and now this entire system is now working for me, right? It's sending emails to my clients and my contacts, right? Of course, now all you have to do is just focus on driving the traffic, but everything else after this point here is all done. It's literally completely done for you. So if you want access to this, I will leave a link down in the YouTube description, and that will give you access to, essentially it's my 72-hour challenge. And we show you the framework of how this works, but more importantly, how can you tap into this entire software and system, including, like I said, the Legendary Marketer program as well. Now, the second link I'll drop down below is actually my affiliate link for Legendary Marketer's 5-day challenge. I think is a really cool product. It's only $5. I think it complements my 72-hour challenge very, very well. Like I said, with my challenge, we focus on the software side, and like this is the email system, and let's get it all done for you. Whereas Legendary Marketer, it's like, okay, here's a lot of mindset things we can kind of focus on, and some other business aspects and avenues we can go down. 2 very awesome challenges. I challenge you guys to go through both of them. I think they'll both be helpful and just giving you more knowledge and things to think about as you're going through this. So all that'll be the second link down below if you want to go through Legendary Marketer's new 5-day challenge. So I hope this review was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to be doing tons of videos and reviews because I know there's a lot of questions out there, lots of confusing things. So I'm going to be buying all the courses out there to basically do reviews and help you figure out what's the best thing I should do for me and my business. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.